two. Here we are. Take two, once again, with Kurt, Rosha, ESAB. Today we're talking about torches. What torch are we talking about?
We have the Plus Series torch, 315 plus torch handle, and 2460 plus cutting attachment.
And the numbers mean, what's that all about?
It's the series of the torch, so it'll tell you which cutting tips you can put in the torch or which attachments will hook up to the torch. One thing we've done is we've increased the flow capacity of the flash arresters. And what that allows you to do is it allows you to use the larger heating heads without restricting the flow of gas going out to the heating head.
And a flash arrestor is an important part of a torch.
It is. It's a protective device. So it's designed to protect the operator in case of a flashback. Flashback occurs, the flashback arrestor is designed to extinguish the flashback, which is in all terms basically combustion.
Inside the torch.
Inside the torch.
Which is not good.
It is not good.
Not good. Why did you need to increase the flow of the flashback arresters?
Flashback arresters restrict flow. There's sintered stainless filter on the inside. So we needed to increase the flow so you could use the larger heating heads. And the reason for that is if you're doing a job and you want to do it faster, more heat means faster preheat times and whatever you're heating.
So previously you would just switch to a torch without a flashback arrestor?
Or you would remove flash arresters from the torches to get the increased flow capacity. We've also changed some of the things that we've done. We've come up with a flip-up lever that was designed for ease of repair. So you can get to the cutting valve a lot easier. And in that cutting valve, we've also got an ease-on control. So ease-on control being when you go to cut steel, you ease into the cut and then you can basically give it full flow. We also changed the mixer design. Previous designs, you had tube nuts, the mixer is inside the tube. What we've designed is easier access to it so you can literally repair it within 5 minutes. Beefed up the head, so on those occasions where people don't make a good cut, they turn it around, use it as
I've never done that.
Yeah, most people say that, especially to their bosses.
And the warranty guy.
Turn it around, start hammering it. So we've beefed up the head, put that little ridge there on the head so they give them a little extra mass. We don't recommend that they use these things as a hammer, but since
you know they do,
we're going to allow them to withstand it a little bit better. Intuitive valves telling them open and close. Most torches out there don't have that on that.
So in essence, this is the torch you want.
This is definitely the torch you want.
You heard it here first. Is this the first place they heard it?
This is.
This is the first place you've heard it. You need this torch.
Absolutely.
Done.